All right, Marcus, what is our first step that we need to do to subtract these numbers?
Pull them apart.
Okay, how do we pull them apart? You just write on the screen and it should write whatever you do. Okay. So we have 60. Awesome. Now let's set up our ones. Good job. Okay. What do we get when we subtract our ones? Yeah, take your time. So I noticed you used the counting back strategy, right? You started at 7 and you counted back 4 and you got 3. Good job. So now what's your next step? You've subtracted the 10s and the 1s. What are you doing here?
I put them back together and
And what did you get?
33.
Nice job, Marcus. Okay, Jersey, what is our first step when we subtract 36 from 62? What do we need to do first?
Split apart the tens.
Sure, go for it. Okay, so you're drawing some base 10 blocks to help you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Nice work. So we have 60 tens rods.
Now we split apart the ones.
Yep. And what are these blocks called that you're drawing?
The ones.
Yeah, ones blocks. Good job. All right, so we have 62 split apart. What's our next step?
Add the takeaway symbols.
Okay. And what number are we taking away from them?
36.
Okay. Good job, yep.
We have to borrow one.
Oh, we're gonna have to borrow one. Right. Why are we gonna have to borrow?
Because there's a 2 in the front of the 6.
Right, so can we take away 6 from 2?
No,
Okay, so we're gonna borrow from where?
the 10.
Okay. So we take away a tens rod and we borrow it. And what do we put in its place?
The one.
Okay, how many of them would we need?
10.
Good work. Okay, so how many ones blocks do we now have?
12.
Good work. So now we can take 6 away. It's set on eraser, so you can erase 6. Good work. So how many's left?
6.
Good job. Okay.
Now we do that.
Okay.
There's 50.
There's 50 left because where did that 6th tens rod go to?
To the 1.
Right, we borrowed it. Okay. And we are going to take away what from it?
The 30.
Okay. And what's left?
20.
Yep. And our very last step.
We put them together.
And what would we get?
26.
Nice work, Jersey.